Hi guys, I'm Juan here, Up with the Sun, where I bring you lifestyle and fandom realness. It is another Vlogmas video. Really excited because I was able to pick up these babies. These are all you can get, all 6, and I did get 6. I do love collecting bears, so this to me was like a no-brainer. So I'm just really happy that I get an opportunity to open them up and add them to my collection. So hopefully it's worth it. These originally retailed for $8.90 a piece. Like I said, I got 6 of them. So hopefully we get more than the intention. Okay, so I'm just gonna rip it open like this. And they don't have blind bags. Hate that. Why don't you have blind bags? But the first one we got is, yay! This is Funshine Bear. Yes, 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 yes. As you know, I will actually link a video of a Danny Nicole bag featuring this beautiful baby, and this is awesome. If I get another dupe of him, I'm going to actually add that to that bag because this is adorable. This is amazing. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love that the sun has these sunglasses on it. That is just such a funny detail. And then the heart paws. Oh my gosh, yes. Yes, yes, yes. That is adorable. Okay, so that was the first pull, which is great. Out of all of them, I wanted him the most. So, yes for me. And again, I hate that these don't have blind bags. Like, why are you skipping out on the blind bags? So I'm really just holding it in my fist and doing a reveal. Yay! We got the little grump himself. Look at that face. Oh my gosh. How adorable he is. He's so cute, and I love the color of the blue. It's gorgeous. So, yay. So adorable. Alright. Here we go. The next one. Did any of y'all watch Care Bears growing up? Celebrate its 40th anniversary. Isn't that crazy? So crazy. Time is marching on, people. And we have, yes! Okay, I told you, like, I'm very excited because if I got another one, he's gonna go on the bag. Yes! Oh my god, yes. Oh, I'm so happy. He's the only duplicate I really cared for, so it should just stay that way. Oh my gosh. You never know when you order these things online. You don't get a chance to pick them. You know, they just come as they are. And I'm trying not to look. And we have Share Bear. I'm going to call this Share Bear because I don't know what else this is. Or Friendship Bear. I don't know. But look how adorable little faces with the tongue. Oh my gosh. So adorable. Love. Okay, all right. Let's see who we have next. Not keeping these boxes, I don't care. Oh my god. Please. Yes! Oh my god, we have Luck Bear, or Lucky Bear, whatever he calls him. But I love that. Green is my favorite color. But look, he has a little shamrock. And the face. Adorbs. Adorbs. Alright, we're on the last one. Wish me luck. Which one did I need left? Cheer Bear? The pink one? I didn't look, We have... Oh, luck be a lady tonight. I have a duplicate Lucky Bear, which is okay. I may actually get some more of these just to complete it because that was pretty good. I mean, honestly, my loss is your guys' gain, so I'm not attached to the pricing on these. I don't care if I get back worth whatever I paid for, but if you have something you'd like to trade, this baby is up for trade or free, to be honest. So again, first come, first serve. Please go ahead and DM me on my Instagram if you are interested in collecting this baby for your collection. Free. Again, I'll pay for the postage myself and send it out to you. I really am not getting anything out of this, but you know, if it makes you happy, I'm happy, right? So again, I was able to get, I don't even have a pin board on me, my God. Just a quick recap, the last one, again, we have this one, this one, this one, and this one. My favorite one. 4 out of 6 is not bad. I mean, yeah, I just need the 2 left. The Cheer Bear and the Sleepy Bear, Midnight Bear, whatever the heck he's calling himself. I don't know. Moon Night Bear. We totally get him, Midnight Bear. Love that. Anyway, thank you so much. Again, happy Vlogmas. This is super quick. Not supposed to take your time. Comment down below, do you have any of these pins? They are just gorgeous. Do you love this creator here, Brightbat? Do you have any of the Brightbat designs in your collection? Please let me know. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe. I am so close to getting 100. It may not happen this year, but it is on the horizon. So please go ahead and share this video with friends who you think might enjoy it. And again, be safe. Tell somebody that you love them, because tomorrow's never promised. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.